Wow. Well, in Middle Tennessee, this is another thing that we commonly see on new and young trees. This is the time of year where deer are rubbing the velvet off of their antlers. And so you can see here that they have caused all of this physical damage to the tree. Now, there are a couple ways that we can try to prevent this. We can put in a physical barrier, we can use deer repellent, but most importantly, we want to try to make sure that we're giving this tree extra protection, fertilization, and water next season, so that way it can help repair. So it's really tempting for us to want to treat wounds on a tree. However, studies going back into the 70s say that this tends to do more harm than good. When a tree is wounded, it already triggers a process where it stimulates chemicals that prevent decay, and it stimulates basically the vascular system and the bark to create a callus over that wound. Allowing the tree to just go through its natural process after wounding is usually the best way to go. So unfortunately, once trees have been damaged by deer, they really need to be evaluated on a case-by-case basis. So the best way to deal with deer damage is prevention. Prevention is absolutely key. The native juniper behind me has this fabulous plastic netting. That is great protection against the deer wanting to use those thinner trees on your property to rub the velvet off of their antlers.